Did you know that Hannibal crossed the Alps with 37 living tanks that could crush soldiers and make entire armies run away in terror? In 218 BCE, Hannibal brought war elephants to fight the Romans. These massive creatures were 10 feet tall and wore heavy armor. They carried towers on their backs, filled with archers who could shoot arrows down at enemies below. At the Battle of Trebia, these elephant charges scattered whole Roman armies. The ground shook under their feet. Their loud trumpeting sounds and strong smell made enemy horses panic and run away. Romans had never seen anything like this before. Hannibal used his elephants at the famous Battle of Cannae to help create one of history's greatest military victories. These living weapons seemed almost impossible to stop, but the Romans were smart. They learned to dig pits and create open paths for elephants to charge through safely. They threw spears and used fire to scare the elephants. When elephants got scared, they would turn around and crush their own soldiers. This is why even the most terrifying weapons can be beaten when people learn how to fight back.